Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I'm tired. Oh my god. Can you guys see that I already script that many? I don't want to explain it all again. Oh my god, I don't know if I can do this or not. I'm dying. I'll repeat say all again. 3 times. Dang it. Why? Why is this happening? You guys can stop the video if you guys cannot catch up. I don't want to say too many already. I'm in a bad mood today. Open the toolbox. Remember, I give you the door. Yes, and then take it out. Duplicate it to 2. Make it because you have to do a backup. Rename a door called model passcode door 1. Because I'm using the number 2 door, I already have the real the working one there, and then I'm scripting this one. Okay, rename it. Relax, bro. Go in. Okay, go to script component. Now really truck, go to keycard reader 1, go here, put a click detector, and then also put a click detector to keycard reader 2 inside here. Don't skip the video. Okay, I'm going to say warning first. Don't skip the video, because if you do something wrong you have to rewatch again. It will be a waste of the time. Okay, I won't put the script in the description because I'm tired. And number 2, I learned this like yesterday and it drive me crazy. And number 3, if you guys learn, then you guys can modify the door by your own, because I already put like a script so I can maybe explain to you guys. Now go to your replicate storage, put a folder called passcode door. Okay, and then insert a remote event to the replicate storage, call it open passcode 1 if you want, or you can just put it open passcode, and then inside the passcode door insert a remote event called door 1, or like if you like, it depends on how many door you have. Okay, now go to your starter guild, insert a guild, and then rename it to passcode 1. If you have the second door, then rename it to passcode 2, and then insert the holder. Oh, wait a second. Actually, no, insert the frame and then rename it to call holder. Okay, and then put a text button called close, and then text button called MB1, means number 1, and then this have to rename. Okay, text button. Okay, and then you have to do it like 9 times, because I have 9 numbers, so I do it 9 times. If you have also have the 0 on it, you have to do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. Okay, when you have the folder, click the invisible to off. Go into your close, put a script, and then type this script inside. Pause the video if you can't catch up. Now we have to go to our open script, type this one, same thing. I will explain. Here I have to explain. Okay, open your replicate storage, look at your remote event. Mine called open passcode 1. I have the second door, so I have to do that. Means that it will receive, I will say receive first, and then later I'll say fire, but now it's receive. It will receive, okay, the event from the replicate storage, and then it will make the local player, means the player that you're playing, the holder will become true. Okay, and now if you come here, the door, I'm using door 2, go to the door. Okay, script, delete the whole script, and then type this inside, type it. Pause the video if you can't catch up. This one means that, okay, so we have to locate the locate this one first. Okay, means that which we are going to click. When we locate already, okay, like both is located now, the key card the keycard will search for the click detector because it's like script means here, and then parent means store, and then parent again, it will go to script component, and then it will go to keycard reader 1 and go to this one, an onion, who knows. We will go to keycard reader 1 because now keycard reader 1 is this onion or something like that, I don't know, onion, I don't know, blah, blah. And then it will go to click detector means here, and then it will go mouse click. Mouse click means that when the player click, okay, the mouse, it will connect to the player function in the player, means that we, okay, us, and then it will go to game replicate storage, means that it will go to the replicate storage and then fire the event to passcode, open passcode 1. For me, passcode open 1. If you have, like, for example, test, and then you just put it test. If you have test, like the rename is called test, okay, put the player means that it will fire to the player. Fire client means that you will fire to the local player, which means us. Don't type fire all client. Fire all client is for everyone, okay. For example, if you want to make a game, like if you press a button you will go invisible, then you click fire all client, but now you only need to fire on one client. If you click all, if one player click it, everyone's screen will pop up the guild. You don't want that to happen. Now go to truck, shut up. Okay, the truck is gone. I'm thirsty. This script is ending soon. Okay, now go to passcode script. Now, this is where you have to script a lot. First, you have to tell yourself which button you want. For example, my passcode is 1234. So first, local MB1, and then you have to go script parent holder MB1, which I renamed this. Okay, the behind have to be the same. I have 9 numbers, I have to do it tonight. Local code 1 equals false, means that code 1, okay, the code 1 will become false. Code 2, code 3, code 4 will be the same. Replicate storage, and then game get service replicate storage means that it will access to the replicate storage, and then local frame equals to script, okay, dot parents means passcode 2, and then holder. We need this later, I will explain. Now, number 1, mouse button click connect function means that because it's like 1 2 3 4. Okay, now this is where the code 1, code 2, code 3, code 4 will become useful in this. Okay, now is that if I click the number, if I click 1, okay, if the code 1 is equal to true, then it will become all false. But if the code 1 is not equal to true, it will become true. Means that if I click it, then it will become true, right? But if I click it once again, okay, it will become false because it's already true, and then you click it and it becomes false. This only work on if you don't have the number on the same side. Like for example, my button is 1 2 3 4, it's not 1 1 2 3, so this is fine. And then now I have to click number 2. If I click number 2, it will go to like if code 1 equals to true, okay, and code 2 equals to true, then code 1 and code 2, code 3, code 4 will all become false. So the player, if they hit 1 2 2, all become false. But if the code 1 is true, then code 2 will become true. If I click 1 2, then both will be true. But if I click 2, I didn't click 1, then all will be false, because it didn't scan that this code 1 is true. Remember to pause it if you can't catch up. Here, now the number 3. Click 3, and then first it will check if code 1, code 2, code 3 is true. If it's all false, the same thing. Else if code 1 and code 2 is true, then code 3 is true. But if not, then all false. Same thing. Now, pause this and type it first. Okay, you have to type it all, then I'll explain. Now, this is where the hard part, because this is my final code. Okay, the number, like I click 1 2 3 4, then the door will open, right? So this is the final. Okay, if you click it, if code 1, code 2, code 3, code 4 is true, then it all become false. This is only work on if you have like the number 5 button or number 6, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then it will open. Then you have to do this. If not, you don't need, but type it in just in case you want it. Now, else if code 1, code 2, code 3 is true, then code 4 will be true. But now, this I have to explain. Replicate storage, passcode door means that you have to go to the replicate storage and passcode door. Insert another remote event called door 1 or door 2. This is my second door, so it's door 2 for me. Type the name that you put and then click fire server. Fire server, and remember to be local script. Why you have to be in the local script? If you put it on script, okay, the server will detect a server is fired the event from server to server. That make no sense, okay? So it would happen that way. But if I put the code like that, if I put local, that means if the server can detect is from the player, means client, fire to the server. That will not cause any error, okay? You have to do that. Hope I explained this very well, okay? I don't want to miss any single thing. Now, frame visible equal false means that when the code is like all correct, then it will become false. Okay, and then all code will become false. Now you have to come back here and then do the same. Game replicate storage passcode door and then door 2, because in here I fire to door 2, then here must be received door 2 because remember I'm using a second door. Remember, I don't want to repeat that again. I'm getting thirsty. And then on server event dot connect, and then you have to print. So what does this mean is that print is very useful. Why is that you can test if your script work or not. If the script is not working, it will not print anything. Now let's see if everything is working. Okay, now I'll explain. Close, yes, it closed. If I click again, it will open it back again. That's why we have to put a click detector here. Now watch here carefully. If I click 1, it will become true, right? Okay, see, now it's true. If I click one more time, it will all become false, because like I said, in here it's like, okay, first it will go through this, and then it will be like, oh, code 1 is not true, then I will skip this, I will just go to else. But if I click it to true, okay, it already go to true, but if I click it again, it will go like, if code 1 is true, whoa, it's true, then it will all go to false, and then it will skip else. Get it? 1, 2. Now it's become true, because it goes first go here. Oh, code 1 and code 2 is not true, so I will skip that and then go to this one. But then it say that, oh wow, code 1 is true, then I will put code 2 in true too. But if I click one more time 2, it will all become false. But if okay, now it's all false. If I click 2 again, it will become all false, because it doesn't scan anything in the script. It just skip and then just go to a last one. Now if I click 1, 2, 3, do the same thing. If I click 4, it will close and then it'll say door open. Means that it fired the event to the door. Congratulations, it's now working. Okay. Now when this is done, now this is where this thing come in place. Go to the script, okay, and then copy this one. Copy from script, go down into here, okay, the end here, copy, go back to your door, paste it, remove one end because we don't need one, and now the door, it become like that. Why? A local door, you have to type local door equals to script.parent. Now all fixed. Okay, remember the step, don't miss anything, and I hope this can be helpful. Like this is my first time scripting, so please don't judge my scripting skill. You can see the door behind it open. That means something is successfully happened. but why another door didn't open? You have to go to door 1, go to the script. Okay, so first you can delete, you can delete another door. You don't need another door. If you delete the wrong door, click Ctrl Z to undo. Now go to door 1, go to the script, delete hold this again. Now go to here and copy it all again, and then come here, place it. Please tell me it's recording. Nice. Well, I will be dead again if not. So what it does is that if like, okay, now this is where the event come in handy, because this both script, okay, it's the same event file. That means that if that event file, both of these will open. Event you always have to create, like this is the first door, so this first door is belong to open passcode event and door 1. But if you have like an emit command, like, okay, that thing I will maybe wait for another episode. Like maybe if I know how to script that, maybe I will do like a emit, like how to open all doors with the emit command. Later I will teach you guys that, but not now. So now but only on passcode door. But now this is where the part begins. If I click 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, now both doors open. Isn't that nice? 1 2 3 4, and it open. There you guys have it. Now let's put some modifier in it. Okay, for example, okay, you can also do number. Okay, you do number 5 dot. Okay, you just copy this one. Just copy it. No need to be shy. Just copy it. Okay. Put in number 5. Do that, and then just do it like all fourth. Yeah. I can't talk. Just do that. Okay, and then copy it again, and then just 6, and then 7, and then 8, and then 9, and then you have to make sure this one change to 6, then change to 7, and then like the 8, and then like the 9, something like that. Now for example, my code is let me think. My code is 1 2 3 no 1 3 5 7. Okay, now for example, if you do that, copy this one, okay, then cut it, means control X. No, actually you just, because this is code 1, so you don't mind that. Okay, but if like this is like this is for number 3, then okay, first you go down, paste it. Okay, remember this is for code 2, and then for code 3, because I want this code to be safe, so you just do that. And then this is the final code. For example, okay, now if I put this to all false, it will be much easier. Okay, so now number 3 is the number. Okay, so I just do, where is it? Yeah, here. I just cut it. No, what am I doing? Yeah, here. Go to if, and then here. Always make sure where you are putting. Number 3, okay, here. I'll paste it. Now number 3, now I have to click 1 3, and then if here, and I go to N, and I go B, and then I go to 5, paste. Okay, I copy if, go to 7, and then okay, please let me paste. Now what does this do is that my passcode has been changed. Okay, now passcode is become to 1 3, 5, 7. So now if I continue, click 1 and then 2, it will all become false. We click 1, 3, okay, 5, 7. Door open. Now you guys know how to do the script already, right? So hope this script will be helpful. Okay, I hope I explained everything. Hope I didn't miss anything. Why is the script here? How do I put the script? What? Oh my god. Okay guys, so there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you think this video is helpful, please hit the like button. Okay, if you guys want to support me, like just a little support, you guys can hit the subscribe button, or you guys like my video, you can hit the subscribe button. But if you want to be the first one to watch my video, you can hit the bell button. Okay, so guys, if you guys need any help, comment the description. No, what? Comment in the comment. Okay, want to join our Discord, go to our description. We have our Discord group. And well guys, thanks you guys for being here, and remember guys to have a great day. Okay, and goodbye.